And begin. All right. We are called John Henry Justin James Squared. And we will sing. Oh, I should say, John Henry will sing while we back up sing to the song of Stand By Me. Look at that. We got audience over here too. Okay. Okay, let's do it.
We're still.
All right, we're still practicing a little bit, but don't worry, we'll get it. And okay, all right, it's gonna begin right now. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When the night has come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light you'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the stars really look far, I forgot the words. And the moon and the ocean will see. I won't cry. I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand where? Stand by me. Okay. So darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Man, we don't need this. We don't need that. We don't need that. Put it away.
Okay, what else do you know? That's all.
You know Diana? That was good, man. Oh, I was gonna do my little talk.